Hey everyone, welcome back to Sonya's Sweet and Spicy Kitchen. Today I have a special guest. We got Bob, the Bloody Mary guy, who is going to show you how he makes his amazing Bloody Marys using some simple ingredients, some Sonya's Sweet and Spicy, and some serious True Grit. Shall we get started?
Let's do it.
All right, let's do this. Hey everyone, welcome back to Sonya's Sweet and Spicy Kitchen. As I mentioned, I've got Bob Ellerby, my good friend and neighbor, who is going to show you how you can make an amazing Bloody Mary using some amazing ingredients, and he's going to get us doing that. But before we get started, make sure you click below to subscribe to our channel. Make sure you comment, subscribe, and tell a few friends about it, because recipes here at Sonya's Sweet and Spicy Kitchen are awesome. So let's start doing this. Bob, I'm gonna call him Bob, the Bloody Mary guy. Show us what we've got going on today.
So isn't fresh best? So let's start with some San Marzano tomatoes. We're gonna blend those up right in this blender right here. Try to do this without getting it all over yourself.
Yeah.
There you go.
Wow, that is some thick sauce.
Yeah, so personal preferences. I like to add just a little bit of water. That way, it won't be as thick, to your point. Of course, we're going to be adding a little bit of vodka to it later, so I think we're going to be okay.
Just a little?
So, not a lot. Depends on what everybody wants, right?
Sure.
So the next most important ingredient is that stuff where people go, what is that? Well, first I'm going to add a little Sonya Sweet and Spicy.
Of course. Oh, we're going to do the juice.
We're going to do some juice in there, yeah.
All right.
So I'll just hold this so we can just get a little bit extra juice so people know.
What is that yummy sweetness?
Along with some, what I love to use is Demitri's. Now you could go and put Worcestershire sauce and all kinds of different ingredients like celery salt, onion powder, and all stuff. But these guys put it all in there together. So your favorite liquor store or online, that's all it takes. It's just a little bit of that. Now we're gonna blend this up.
Oh my God! And if you all can smell this, this smells.
We need smell-o-vision, right? That's what
oh, definitely scratch and sniff. This is awesome.
So now we're going to blend this up. Nice and smooth. Right about the time you can see all the ingredients rolling, that's the perfect amount of time. So that should do it.
Awesome.
Now we're going to have to do some garnishing as well.
Oh,
Let's
yeah.
make this look pretty. Can you help me with that?
Sure. What do I do?
Pour this into this pitcher. Help me pour this into the pitcher.
Oops. The vodka.
That's something we're going to need, right?
Yes.
There you go.
Look at
that.
That is awesome.
And like I said, if you like it thinner, add more water. If you like it thicker, don't add any water at all. It's all up to you. It's a personal preference.
And of course, if you've got a large bunch of people coming over, you can grab 3 or 4 of these cans.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah.
Or if you can, you probably got some in your pantry already, so
yeah.
you can use those if you prefer. It's up to you.
Awesome.
That's a personal preference. So, ice.
Ice.
If you could help me with some ice in these glasses.
Alrighty. I'm just going to use my hands here.
You know what? You might want to add this celery in there.
Throw that in right away.
That way the ice can actually get in the cup.
Now the bacon.
Maybe
Does the bacon?
a piece of bacon?
Should we add that before or after?
Let's do bacon now.
Now, let's.
Before and after.
Bacon. Beautiful. Throw this ice in there.
Bacon wants to be eaten. It's
Bacon.
just clearly the case.
That's awesome. Throw these in. Have another big old honkin' thing of bacon.
So again, personal preference depends on how much vodka you like to have in yours. What you're going to find is you're not even going to taste the vodka when you mix it with Demitri. So if you hand me the vodka.
Oh, look at this big old boy.
My goodness.
Awesome.
We'll be able to have 2.
I know. I will not be able to see the rest of my day today.
I'll just put a little bit on the bottom here. It's probably about 1.5 ounces.
So you like to add the vodka before adding in the...
I do.
Okay.
Then I'll use the celery as kind of a stir stick then. It seems to work really well.
Very cool.
Because if you put the vodka on top and forget to stir, let's just say that first swallow is going to be a little bit surprising.
Yeah.
Because it would be all vodka then.
Wow.
Does this not look incredible?
My God.
Yes. Perfect way to start a Saturday watching college football.
Do we need straws or do we?
If you like straws, I just like to take this celery and move that ice around a little bit. So now let's get ready to start doing the garnishes. So I love, you eat with your eyes first. So Certainly we need some olives, a little salt, and then some sweet and spicy Sonya's on there. Let's just alternate one more olive and one more sweet and spicy.
Do we put a little bacon on there or something?
Bacon probably wouldn't hold on. So
okay.
One more sweet and spicy.
Okay, we'll do one of these.
And then we're gonna put an olive on the end to hold it all together.
Ooh, look at this.
Is that not cool?
It's like a little, it's an appetizer on a stick.
It's brunch.
That
We're
looks
gonna have brunch.
awesome.
All the food groups.
All the food,
all the
yeah.
food groups are all
You've got
included
vegetable,
right here.
you've got alcohol, you've
So,
got tomatoes.
So, as you can see, that's the way to do this. So let's do one more.
Let's do another one here. So we got the olive.
It's gonna be so delicious.
Oh, this looks awesome. And if you can smell what we're smelling right now, well, I know you're green with envy, but yeah, if you wouldn't be green with envy if you, of course, had some Sonya Sweet and Spicy. and you don't have Bloody Mary Bob here either. So.
Now, one other thing you could do, some people like to salt the rim, but I would prefer to put a little of the juice in a plate, get the rim of the glass a little wet, and chop up some bacon. So you have a little bacon flavor with some Sonya Sweet and Spicy right on the rim.
That would be
awesome.
awesome.
But we'll do that next time.
We will. We'll do that for our second glass today.
Absolutely.
That is awesome.
So the last thing to do is cheers.
Cheers. Let's try this. Let's do
Absolutely.
this. Bada bing. Bada bing. Let's see.
Man. Is that fresh or
That
what?
is fresh. That is good. You can get the amazing flavor of the tomatoes, the San Marzano tomatoes. You've got sweet and spicy in there. You've got the amazing flavors of the Demitri's all natural Bloody Mary seasoning mix, and yeah, and the celery in there just to help balance this out.
Right next sip, I'm gonna have a little of that.
Yeah, have a little bit of it.
And then chase it. Oh man,
That's
those are
awesome.
incredible, Sonya. I don't know where you got that recipe from, but it's fantastic.
In my brain.
All right.
Not much
for the world.
Not much brain left after this concoction today, but that's okay. Now, I've had variances of vodka. Have you ever experimented a bit with? I've tried bacon flavored vodka with this. What's your experience?
I find it masks it so much that it's not even. Go with inexpensive stuff. Don't spend a bunch of money, because with all of the spice and the seasonings that are inside Demitri's as well as the Sonya Sweet and Spicy, it's going to mask the vodka anyway. Can you even taste vodka in there?
No, it's
you can't.
It's yummy though, and it
and
got
dangerous, so be careful.
Yeah, definitely going to be
Don't
dangerous.
drink and drive.
But since you're my neighbor, you can stagger home, so that's all good.
Exactly.
So great. So what else do you think? I mean, what other kind of appetizers would you suggest serving with this if you're having a bunch of people over or things like that?
Well, I mentioned football, so everything goes well with football, right?
Yeah.
So you chips and salsa, guacamole, wings, all those spices together with a Bloody Mary. Are you kidding?
Yeah.
I have some friends that start the day with some biscuits and gravy with their Bloody Marys. And I thought, wow, wouldn't that be fabulous? Need to try that tomorrow.
Is definitely. Oh, biscuits and gravy. You're speaking my language. So that is quick and easy. I mean, this has been one of our quickest recipes by far, but definitely this packs a punch. So if you love Bloody Marys and you want to delve into some different flavors and of course some adventure in creation of all of your amazing cocktails, try this. Get some of Sonya Sweet and Spicy, of course, and pick up some of the Demitri's Bloody Mary mix. If you are someone who likes to do things old school and you want to do your own measuring of that, by all means, knock yourself out. But I will say this here, if you can see, you see all of the peppers and all of the amazing spices there. And of course, Sonya Sweet and Spicy, you've got amazing spices down there. And you can adjust this to however spicy you want it, however sweet you want it. Rim the glass with salt, rim the glass with sweet and spicy, crushed up bacon. Like Bloody Mary Bob said, you can mix it up, fix it up, move it out, get it down, right?
Absolutely.
All righty. So that is pretty much a wrap for today, everyone. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure that you check us out on social media. We are on facebook.com/Sonya Sweet Spicy. And of course, you know that we're on Instagram, instagram.com/Sonya Sweet Spicy. And of course, SonyaSweetSpicy.com right here. And that's how we roll. So that's all right. Great, thanks Bob for
Right
knocking
on.
it out of the park with this amazing, super duper easy, using San Marzano tomatoes, because this is, as you saw, so thick and so luscious. It definitely gives your Bloody Mary some serious attitude, and that's what we're about, isn't it?
That's right. That's
All
right.
right, all righty. So let's cheers, and we'll call it a day. Cheers.
Cheers, all.
Take care. I always do the happy food dance, but this is definitely a happy drink dance. So, bye.
now.
Take care. That was it. That was it.
Awesome.
All right.